What's going on, tech fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best cool gadgets in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these gadgets, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to like the video or dislike it if you're feeling salty today, and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first cool gadget we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Vector Robot by Anki. Next up at number 4, we've got the HTC VIVE Cosmos Virtual Reality System. Next up in our number 3 spot, we've got the TileMate Key Finder, Phone Finder, and Anything Finder. Next up at number 2, we've got the iBaby Smart Air Quality Monitor. And last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Oculus Quest 2 Virtual Reality System. Alright, tech fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which cool gadgets you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.